Amendment.
Amendment. All right, we're not talking about to the Constitution,
No.
right?
right.
We're talking about horticulture and gardening. Right. Okay, when people talk about amendments, they're talking about things they add to their soil to improve it. That could be fertilizers to improve the fertility. It could be things that change the structure to make it retain water or hold water, whichever's needed.
Okay.
It could be peat moss, compost, any kind of really good organic matters you looked at as an amendment. Gin trash, you know, leaf mold, things like that. So that's what we mean when we say it could be lime.
Okay.
Sand even.
Well, yeah, lime and sulfur if you want to lower the pH, if you got blueberries or something. So anything that's added to the soil to improve it for the plant you're growing, whatever those conditions require.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.